Recap for Pick Your Team 2021 Panini Chronicles Draft Picks Basketball number 1. We'll do the number cards first, or numbers and silvers. Cameron Thompson, Jalen Suggs, Keon Johnson, Chris Duarte, Isaiah Jackson, Jalen Johnson, Trey Mann, Jaden Springer, Joel Ajayi, Moses Moody, Brandon Boston Jr., Isaiah Jackson, Ayo, Davion Mitchell, Josh Christopher, Trey Mann, Raekwon Gray, Corey Kispert, Trey Mann, Cade Cunningham, Moses Moody, Davion Mitchell, K. Jones, Ayo, and Franz Wagner. Ayo! Alright, hits wise. Whoa. Alright, we're missing an autograph, so here we go. We got Jalen Johnson, Brandon Boston Jr., Ayo! Jonathan Kuminga, Josh Christopher, Justin Turner, Trey Mann, Josh Giddey, Herbert Jones, Dikembe Andre, Isaiah Jackson, Georgie, Cade Cunningham, Austin Reeves, Greg Brown, Georgie, Scott Barnes, Joel Ajayi, nice little rookie patch autograph, Joel Ajayi, Dejan Jarreau, Evan Mobley, Ayo, Greg Brown, oops, sorry, we'll go here, Bold Sachika, Joel Ajayi, Eugene Omoroyi, David Johnson, Ariel Hukporti, K. Jones, Evan Mobley, and Day'Ron Sharp out of UNC. Very nice. Good stuff. Thank you again, everybody. Appreciate it as always.